If you feel shy speaking English, this conversation will show you real phrases used by confident speakers, even if they're shy inside. Learn these lines and you'll talk without fear. Hey, Sarah, can I tell you something honestly?
Of course, Alex. What's going on?
I get really shy when I talk in English.
Really? You don't seem shy to me.
That's the problem. I act confident, but inside I panic.
I get it. A lot of people feel the same way.
How do you talk so easily?
I wasn't always like this. I used to overthink every word.
That's literally me right now.
Don't worry, we can fix that.
Where do I even start?
Start small. Use short, safe phrases.
Like what?
Like, hey, can I ask something? I'm not sure. I'll try.
That actually feels less scary.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
But what if I say something wrong?
Say, sorry, let me try again.
That sounds polite and confident.
People respect honesty more than perfect English.
Sometimes my voice literally shakes.
Then use grounding phrases.
Grounding phrases?
Yes, things like, let me think. Give me a moment. I got this.
I got this. I like that.
It calms your mind instantly.
What about when I forget words?
Just say, what's the word? Or, I mean,
Oh, so even fluent people do that?
all the time. It's normal.
And what if someone judges me?
Say, I'm still learning. Appreciate your patience.
That's a smooth line.
And very effective.
But sometimes people make me feel small.
Ignore the vibe and focus on your message.
Easier said than done.
True, but practice makes it easier.
How do I start conversations without sounding awkward?
Start with simple observations.
Like,
Nice weather today. Or, that looks interesting. Or, have you been here before?
that feels doable.
Yes, because these lines are low pressure.
What about introducing myself?
Just say, hey, I'm Alex. Nice meeting you.
Short and clean.
Exactly.
How do I keep a conversation going?
Ask easy follow-ups like, really? Oh, nice. Tell me more.
So I don't need long sentences?
Not at all. Short lines work better.
I feel lighter hearing that.
You should. Speaking isn't an exam.
True, but my brain treats it like one.
Then remind yourself it's just a conversation.
I'll try that next time. Thanks, Sarah. You make English feel less scary.
Because it isn't scary. It's just practice.
Do you really think I can talk confidently one day?
I don't think, I'm sure.
Why so sure?
Because you're already trying, and that's the hardest part.
That means a lot.
Anytime, Alex. You got this.
Yeah, I got this.
See? That's the confidence I like.